Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the assignment tracker, which I've created in Google Sheets. So this assignment tracker is a tracker which tracks all of the subjects. So it has 5 columns: subject, assignment, status, time, start date, and due on. And there is a drop down for the subjects. So here in the first column for subject, we have math, biology, geography, physics, and there is an option of edit button as well. So if we want to add the subjects over here, we can add as many. So this one is the drop down of subjects. And then this can be the details. So we can just put all the details over here. And the second one is the status. So we can put all the status here: not started, in progress, skipped, done, everything here. And of course, we want to change here. Anything we want to change here, we can just change of the status drop down. Then we have the time column. So here we can put the dates in hours. Currently, I have used some of the examples for 1.5 hours, 30 minutes, 2 hours, and then 6 hours. Now we have a start date and due on column as well. So we can put the start date whenever we are starting that subject. So we can put on the date. And then the last one is the date which is due on. So it will be calculated. Here we have a formula here. So it will be calculated based on start date. So and the time. So today this is our due on, but yeah, this is also customizable. So due on will be 7 days, 2 days, 5 days, whatever which is suits to us, we can just change on. So this is a assignment tracker, and it's track of each subject and provides the status and the time and then the due date, which is due on. So we can track, and we can just change the drop down as well accordingly once it's completed, and whatever it's the progress. So it's an easy way of tracking our assignments mainly. So if in case if you need any customizations or you need this template, you can reach me out or my email address. You can note my email address 96@gmail.com, and email address, and then my WhatsApp number is plus 919314180408. So this is my mobile number. You can just reach me out anytime, and I will be sharing you this template if required. And if you need some more changes, you can just reach me out as well. For the changes, you can just email me or WhatsApp me. I will be making your changes as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video, and hope we will connect again. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.